My name is Joyce. I'm the Public Works Director for the City of Galax. I've been with the city since January of 2006. As you can see, we have a new building here. Well, about 2 years old, going on 2 years. The structure we had was just an old stick-built building that was built with sawmill lumber, probably back in the mid-'60s, that was dilapidated, to say the least. So, you know, we had to look at toward the future. It was rotten. We had termite issues, and we were looking at. So I talked to our building maintenance people, and we were looking at such a high cost to try to repair what was there. We looked at some alternative buildings, and for the value, for the money, it was obvious we were going to go with a metal structure of some type. We've had one 24-inch snow winter before last, and that was really the tale of the tape. But because of the size structure we had to go with the reinforced roof with the structure. We did add on, I think, the ice protectors. We did go with that. We found out after the first real ice storm that's something we need to do, and like I say, with the curb, with the gutter and stuff, we did. Well, one door that was sort of sticking would run off, but usually the same day we called, they had somebody up here to. And finally, they got it where they got the problem resolved. It was just a matter of, and be honestly, our guys were probably not doing something quite just right, letting the door down too fast. But since then, we haven't had a problem. We did look at several different builders, but your reputation precedes you. And some things we read about these other people and word of mouth, we just didn't like what we heard. Hopefully, before I retire, we're going to add some more bays on. But this time, we're going to make them bigger, deeper, where we get some of our bigger equipment parked inside during the inclement weather.